Venture into the heart of Borneo's majestic rainforest and explore the enchanting Maliau Basin. Often referred to as the lost world of Sabah, this pristine wilderness sanctuary is home to an incredible array of rare and endemic species, showcasing the unparalleled beauty of our planet. For the past 24 years, Preferred by Nature has been dedicated to support preserving the Maliau Basin Conservation Area. This May, we invite you to join us in a transformative, hands-on training experience at the Maliau Basin Study Centre, nestled on the edge of this untouched forest. Our ecosystem restoration course will use the IKEA-funded restoration project in the buffer zone as a living laboratory, providing a unique opportunity to witness ecosystem restoration in action. Initiated 25 years ago, this ongoing project focuses on reviving the natural ecosystems that support our world. Step back in time and observe the practical implementation of ecosystem restoration. Our course is grounded in the Ecosystem Restoration Standard, a powerful tool that tracks restoration performance, ensuring benefits to people, nature, and the climate. Designed to be adaptable, the Ecosystem Restoration Standard is applicable across tropical, temperate, and boreal biomes, covering all stages of restoration from planning to maintenance. Join us for the Ecosystem Restoration and Carbon Initiatives course, amidst the breathtaking Borneo rainforest. Learn directly from leading experts and immerse yourself in a world-class living laboratory of ecosystem restoration. Secure your place today and embark on an unforgettable journey into the heart of nature's wonders.